बिल्कुल जवाब नहीं दे रही हैं, देख लो. Okay जी, question number 19. The diagram shows specialized cell. What cell is this? Good. Root hair cell. So what is the function of the cell? Okay. What is the function of the cell? To absorb water. Yes. So, okay, next one is active transport. How do we define active transport? Now, you have lost your marks in active transport definition as well, because you haven't written the complete definition, though it was really easy, but none of you have gotten the, like, only Fiza got full marks in this. None of you have. Number one is the movement of molecules from area of higher concentration, sorry, from area of lower concentration to area of higher concentration. Active means you have to use energy, you have to go up. Okay. And how? By using energy. Most of you have not written this third point, the energy one. Okay, so I have told you earlier in the class as well that you have to write all these 3 points. Only then you are going to get marks, otherwise you will not. Okay, so our right answer would be B. That is the movement of particles from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration using energy from respiration. Okay, so the next question. देखो, it's written in B. Look at B option. Okay, that's why we chosen the answer B. Okay, 21. The diagram shows the cell appearance under the microscope after placing it in a dilute solution for 5 minutes. It has become bigger in size. Why does it become bigger in size? So what has entered into it? Water. How water enters into it? Through? Okay, and what type of movement it would be? Osmosis, correct. Next one. The cell in the root hair cells are higher concentration of magnesium ions. Okay, this is root hair cell. It already has many magnesium, right? Okay. Oh my god, the noise. And outside there is lesser concentration. Okay. How will this magnesium move inside? Good, active transport. Which factor increase the rate of diffusion? Now, you have read this in chemistry as well, how to increase the rate of diffusion. Number one, by increasing the temperature. Okay, when the temperature is more, there would be more kinetic energy, the particles will move with higher speed and diffuse faster. Okay. Number two is by increasing the surface area. More surface area mean more movement. Okay. Number three, by increasing the concentration gradient. If there is a more difference, okay, it will come more quickly, like it will diffuse more quickly. And number four, by decreasing the distance. The lesser distance mean more diffusion, more distance mean less diffusion. Okay, yeah, or it will take more time to diffuse. So which option would be correct for this one? B, right? Okay, दोबारा कर लेते हैं. Among these, which one is the one which is increasing the rate of diffusion? वो कहते हैं डिफ्यूजन आपने बढ़ानी है तो आप क्या करोगे? पहला उन्होंने ऑप्शन आपको दिया है डिक्रीज ऑफ द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट. क्या आप कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट को कम करोगे? नहीं. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट का मतलब है ऊपर से नीचे आना. ठीक है, ऊपर से नीचे. आप देखो, अब मेरी बात सुनना. ये एक स्लाइड है और ये एक स्लाइड है. किस स्लाइड में मूवमेंट ज्यादा होगी, ए में या बी में? ए में. सो इट मीन्स द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट शुड बी हाई. Okay, because the movement is more in this A. Okay, number two is distance. Now you have to move from distance A to distance B, and here we have A to B. In which one is there would be lesser time would be taken? This one? right? You have to travel 1 kilometer and 1 meter. Definitely 1 meter is more easy. So it will increase the rate of diffusion. Number three, decreasing the surface area. We have done it so many times. More surface area mean more diffusion. You have a full plate and then you have a glass of water in which there would be more diffusion. Plate or glass of water? Plate. Okay. So more surface area mean more diffusion. And what about temperature? Is diffusion higher in hot water or low water?